What is up, y'all? I'm back today with another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a body butter, y'all. This is my first time actually making a body butter. So right here, I have all of my ingredients: shea butter, cocoa butter, almond oil, castor oil. We got our hand mixer. We got just a bowl that we're going to use to do the double boiling method. I have my cutting board here and some measuring cups. And we about to get into this video, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, I have everything set up right here for my double boiling method. I'm turning my oil up. I put it on 5, but you definitely want to have it lower than that. Okay? Learn from me. It's time to open it up. Open it up. Opening up the shea butter, y'all. This is my first time purchasing anything like this off of Amazon, so I'm pretty excited. They also sent this little cute card too with some different things that you can make using shea butter, and they just gave you some fun facts about it too. Alright, y'all, we're about to do the same thing with the cocoa butter. It's time to open it up. Y'all, when I tell you I love the smell of cocoa butter, OMG, it smells so good. They sent the cute little card in this one too, just showing you different things that you can make with the cocoa butter that they sell, and some fun facts. Kind of went through the struggle a little bit opening this one, but we made it. Look at that. Give me all my crumbs. I want all my cocoa butter. Okay, give me all that in the cracks and all. Give it to me. Okay, so we just finna slice right in the middle and basically just dice it up in small pieces, y'all. That's all we finna do with this. You wanna try to slice it as small as you can. Okay, so this camera angle is definitely not finna work, so let's switch it up. As you can see, like I say, just trying to slice as small as you can, so that way once you put your cocoa butter into the bowl, it's not very big bulky chunks that you have to wait to melt down, you know? It's just helping the process be a little simpler for you. Once I finish chopping this last piece of cocoa butter, y'all, that is it, honey. We finna get ready to go ahead and just dump it in the bowl. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so you want to make sure you're being very careful and make sure everything goes into the bowl, okay? Because if you're anything like me, you want to make sure that you're getting everything. Look at how I'm scraping that cutting board, y'all. And this is exactly why you want to keep your fire low, because you don't want it to start melting down too fast. On to the shea butter, it is time to open it up. Open it up. Now see this one was so much simpler to open. Yes, give me all of that. Give me all of that out the corners. Give it to me. I want it all. Same thing, cut straight down the middle, and instead of making this one small pieces like the cocoa butter, you actually don't have to make the pieces so small because shea butter is already on the soft side, okay? Yes, honey, give me everything. I want all of it off of there. Bloop. It is now time for the almond oil, y'all. It's time to add it on in. If you have not joined the family already, go ahead, click the subscribe button right now. Give your girl a thumbs up on this video because I know you are all going to enjoy it. And comment below if you have any tips for me because I'm definitely open for it. The next oil is going to be castor oil, baby. Let's do this, okay? And I do want to say this to y'all. Please excuse your girl fit, like hair, got the bonnet on, you know what I'm saying? Like it was morning vibes. I was just trying to get it done, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, y'all, it is all slowly melting down and blending together. At this point, it's just all about waiting, okay? Boom, look at that. All melted down, all good. Now it's time to put it in the freezer, y'all, okay? So I actually forgot to put the plastic wrap over it. I did redo it. Y'all make sure you put plastic wrap over your bowl. So correct me if I am wrong, y'all, because I actually made a mistake in the process, okay? So at this point here, I probably had it in for about 10 minutes and it looked fine, but then I had this happen. But I actually think this was perfect, y'all. Like I was babysitting, so I stuck it back in the freezer and my goal was to leave it in for about 2 to 3 more minutes. But it did not work out like that, y'all. I left it in for a little bit longer than I wanted to. And just watch. I'm not sure if y'all can see, but y'all, I was going through the struggle at this point, okay? Like in the beginning, it started smooth and then it just started getting really tough to try to whip it up. Y'all, please excuse the lighting, okay? I'm really sorry about that, you know? Look at that, y'all. The struggle, okay? This is the moment. I knew I had messed up. Seriously. But I messed up and I had to find a way to fix the problem, and your girl did. I just basically added just a tad bit more oil to it, y'all, because in the beginning, I didn't want to add too much oil anyways because I always knew I could go back and add more, but you can't take out. So I added just a little bit more oil in. Why did I start back trying to whip it up? I have no idea, but I did. So I'm about to start getting everything off the sides, but I'm sitting here with this little bitty spatula thingy and it is not gonna work. So I'm gonna leave this one alone and I'm gonna get a new one, okay? After scooping everything to the middle, I'm going to take it back over the pot so we can soften it up a little bit and watch me work, y'all. Just watch me work. Look at that, y'all. See, we are already off to a better start, honey. Yes, that's just blending up so perfectly, y'all. I wasn't having a hard time. I didn't have to put my back into it because the first time was killing you, girl. I mean, just look at that Buddha, y'all. Just look at it. It just make you want to eat it. Ugh. Straight moisture, baby. Look at that skin. Just look at it, y'all. Glistening. Popping. On fire. Period. To fluff it, basically what I was doing is just sitting in one spot, so that way that one spot can fluff up and then I move on to the next. I turned the light off because with the light being off, you guys could see the bowl better and what was going on in the inside of it. So I wanted you guys to see just a little bit, but y'all, I couldn't see. So I had to stop and turn the light on. But I'm pretty sure you guys got the point. And from this point on, you're just gonna keep on fluffing it up and whipping it up until you get it to the texture that you want. Yes, honey, for your first batch of body butter, you doing your ditty, girl. Keep it up. Now we are about to put it all in containers, y'all. We are finna sample it out because your girl finna start a body butter business. If you guys seen anything I may have done wrong or you have any tips for me, please leave some comments down below because your girl could use some help here, okay? Also, y'all go follow me on my social medias. Instagram, the Lexi with the Y Chantel, CHANTEL _ at the end. My Snapchat name is Lex, double X on that, and said, y'all, SED. It's right up there at the top if you didn't catch that, and I'm also gonna leave it down in the description box, okay? Baby, I'm gonna clean them edges around, put the top on there, and that's it. It's done. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. It's cleanup time, baby, because this video is almost done. If you have not clicked the subscribe button, go ahead, click it right now. What are you waiting for? Hit the like button right now because you watched it all the way to the end. So why not give your girl the thumbs up? And y'all, that concludes this video. I'm out. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.